Did your properties or projects browser just disappeared in Revit? Don't reinstall it. This takes less than 30 seconds to fix. If you are a beginner, this can feel scary, like you broke something. But don't worry, you didn't. This is exactly what happens to most people. Here's the step-by-step fix. Go to View tab at the top, click on it, click on User Interface. Now simply check Properties. We have it here. Here's the property. Click on it again. Check the project's browser. Just like that, they are back. If your layout still looks messy like this, just drag the panels and dock them to the side. Click on it, drag it, drop it here, just like that. Always keep properties and projects browser visible. They are essential. If your ribbon is also missing, I'll show you in the next video. Save this video, you will need it again. And if you are learning Revit from scratch, check out the full beginner tutorial on this channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.